Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, you're going to shadow 50 more sentences from your daily routine. Listen and repeat with me. We'll start with very short lines and gently build them into longer, smoother, more natural speech. You might begin with, I set my alarm, and soon expanded to, I set my alarm, place my phone on the nightstand, and close my eyes with a calm mind. This step-by-step build helps your ears, your mouth, and your memory work together. You'll grow your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence, and hear how real English connects in everyday life. If the first lines feel easy, that's the plan. Settle into the rhythm, speak clearly, and stay with me all the way to the end. Ready to practice? Let's begin. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I put my phone on the nightstand. I put my phone on the nightstand. I pull the blanket up to my chin. I pull the blanket up to my chin. My room is dark and quiet. My room is dark and quiet. I fall asleep with a calm mind. I fall asleep with a calm mind. My alarm rings in the morning. My alarm rings in the morning. I turn it off and sit up slowly. I turn it off and sit up slowly. I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air. I stretch my back and shoulders. I stretch my back and shoulders. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I drink warm water with lemon. I drink warm water with lemon. I do a few minutes of gentle breathing. I do a few minutes of gentle breathing. I write a few lines in my journal. I write a few lines in my Journal. I review my to-do list for today. I review my to-do list for today. I pack a healthy snack for later. I pack a healthy snack for later. I choose clothes that fit the weather. I choose clothes that fit the weather. I put on comfortable shoes for walking. I put on comfortable shoes for walking. I apply a little sunscreen before I leave. I apply a little sunscreen before I leave. I check that the stove is off. I check that the stove is off. I lock the door and take the stairs. I lock the door and take the stairs. I walk to the station at a steady pace. I walk to the station at a steady pace. I catch the early train to avoid crowds. I catch the early train to avoid crowds. I read a short article on my phone. I read a short article on my phone. I practice English phrases under my breath. I practice English phrases under my breath. I send a quick good morning message to a friend. I send a quick good morning message to a friend. I arrive on time and greet my teammates. I arrive on time and greet my teammates. I prioritize the top tasks for the day. I prioritize the top tasks for the day. I put on headphones and start focused work. I put on headphones
and start focused work. I answer emails in small batches. I answer emails in small batches. I take a short stretch break every hour. I take a short stretch break every hour. I refill my water bottle to stay hydrated. I refill my water bottle to stay hydrated. I ask a clear question when I need help. I ask a clear question when I need help. I share a quick update in the team chat. I share a quick update in the team chat. I solve a difficult problem step by step. I solve a difficult problem step by step. I thank a colleague for their support. I thank a colleague for their support. I eat a balanced lunch and step outside. I eat a balanced lunch and step outside. I walk around the block to reset my mind. I walk around the block to reset my mind. I listen to a short English podcast. I listen to a short English podcast. I repeat a useful sentence quietly. I repeat a useful sentence quietly. I return to work with fresh energy. I return to work with fresh energy. I finish my tasks and check my progress. I finish my tasks and check my progress. I organize my desk for tomorrow. I organize my desk for tomorrow. I shut down my computer and stretch again. I shut down my computer and stretch again. I leave the building and feel the cool air. I leave the building and feel the cool air. I take the bus home and watch the sunset. I take the bus home and watch the sunset. I change into comfortable clothes at home. I change into comfortable clothes at home. I prepare dinner with fresh vegetables. I prepare dinner with fresh vegetables. I wash the dishes and wipe the counter. I wash the dishes and wipe the counter. I set out my clothes for tomorrow. I set out my clothes for tomorrow. I write a small win from today and a clear goal for tomorrow. I write a small win from today and a clear goal for tomorrow.
Great job! You finished part 2. Today you shadowed 50 more sentences and turned simple lines into natural, connected English. Every repeat trained your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Come back tomorrow and run it again, or move on to the next set when you're ready. Thanks for practicing with me. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you soon.